Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best tire shines on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Chemical Guy's Extra Glossy Tire Shine. Going beyond the Just for Tires playbook, this product from Chemical Guys is marketed as a tire shine but is also marketed to work on vinyl, rubber, and plastic car parts. In other words, it should rejuvenate that turn to gray plastic cladding on your knackered Chevrolet Avalanche. This stuff is a spray and said to leave that wet look after it is correctly applied. In a fit of comedy, the ad states this stuff won't rub off on your shoes whenever kicking a tire. No mention is made about lighting fires, so Maverick is out of luck, again. Chemical Guys says this dressing helps prevent future fading from sunlight. Pros: highly regarded, easy to use. Cons: reports of a cheap spray nozzle. Number 2. Our second best pick is TriNova Tire Shine. If you're the type to shine your car's tire sidewalls every other day or have a propensity to spruce up vehicles belonging to your buddies when they pop over for a visit, it might not be a bad idea to save a few shillings and pick up an entire gallon of the stuff. TriNova calls its Tire Shine Spray one of the easiest ways to give your tires a dark and shiny look. They promise that with just a single coating, your car's tires will be guarded against fading, cracking, and yellowing. This is an industrial-sized jug of commercial-grade product. Pros: robust stuff and plenty of it. Cons: bring your own spray bottle. Number 3. Our third best pick is Carfidant Ultimate Tire Shine Spray. Barring a cringe-inducing brand name, the word Carfidant is surely the king of all car-based dad jokes. This tire shine seems to have a pretty devoted fan base. It promotes itself as having a unique nanopolymer formula unlike all other tire shine products. According to the seller, just a few sprays and a quick wipe with our included applicator will give your tire that slick look as if your vehicle just rolled off the showroom floor. It also insists that its ingredients will protect tires against dry rot and road grime. Pros: purported advanced formula, includes an applicator. Cons: that branding. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Black Magic BM23 Tire Wet Pack of 4. If you're going to buy tire shine today, there's a solid chance you're going to buy more of it in the future. After all, one doesn't, generally, wake up one morning and stop caring about their car's appearance after a lifetime of shining the thing into the next dimension. Here's a 4-pack of tire shine, marketed as Tire Wet, from the folks at Black Magic. This company has a robust presence on Amazon, lending credence to their advertisements and a dollop of security that one's money just won't vanish into the ether after hitting the "buy now" button. As for the product, reviews are good and the price is right. Pros: very reasonable cost for a quartet of bottles. Cons: your moron buddies might pilfer some. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Griot's Garage Black Shine Tire Gel. A tire gel differs from the other products on this list because it needs to be wiped or scrubbed instead of just dispensed from a bottle or can. The company makes a point, saying this approach eliminates messy overspray and gives the car owner better control of the tire's gloss level. While the latter may seem like a throwaway marketing shtick, they have a good point. With this product, one can make their tires display anything from a sedate satin finish to a glossy show shine. Water-resistant formula beads water so your whole car looks killer after a quick spray with the hose. Pros: professional results. Cons: harder to apply than a simple spray. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.